Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 7 stuck on spinning wheel black screen. So, your iPhone 7 screen randomly goes black and has a spinning wheel on it. Sometimes the spinning wheel icon only stays for a few seconds and then the phone goes to lock screen. The other times the iPhone 7 screen is stuck on the spinning gear with a black screen and won't reboot. Alright, it sounds like your iPhone 7 is experiencing a tricky issue related to the battery or system software. As the iPhone 7 is an old model, the battery might be degraded and easy to lose power. When it comes to the software issues, malfunctioning apps, outdated iOS firmware, the storage being full, and malware attack can lead to a stuck spinning wheel problem. Now, try the following steps to get an iPhone 7 out of the stuck spinning wheel black screen. All the instructions will also work for an iPhone 7 Plus. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Force your iPhone 7 to turn on. Every time the phone's software misbehaves, turning off the device and then switching it on is often the easiest and quickest fix. All your stored data will be kept safe and sound, and all it takes is pressing some buttons. Here's what you need to do. Press both the volume down key and power key on your device and hold them for a while. The spinning wheel should disappear and the Apple logo will pop up. Now, release both keys and see if your iPhone 7 boots up correctly. Step 2. Put the iPhone 7 into a charger. To rule out the battery issues, use a certified USB cable to plug your iPhone 7 into a charger. Leave the device on charge for at least 1 hour. To ensure effective charging, it's suggested to verify the cables and chargers, clean the charging port, and test the power outlet. After that, perform a forced restart again on your iPhone 7 and see if it stops the spinning wheel stuck on a black screen. Step 3. Update iPhone 7's operating system. iOS updates are released periodically every year. If you haven't upgraded the iOS, chances are that the update might bring with it a fix for an iPhone 7 screen stuck on the spinning wheel. As you might not be able to access the phone, consider doing an iOS update in recovery mode. After assuring it has enough power to install an update, follow these steps. On your computer, install and run the latest version of iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder. Here's a reminder. The Finder application is only available on a Mac computer running Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later. Next, connect your iPhone 7 to the computer and press and hold both the volume down button and power button. After the spinning disappears and the restore screen shows up with a laptop and a cable icon, let go of both buttons as the phone is in recovery mode. Head to the computer and there should be a dialog box showing Update and Restore 2 options. Click Update and continue the on-screen instructions until the update process is started. If your iPhone 7 exits recovery mode itself during the update process, just repeat the steps to enter again and go on. Hope you managed to fix an iPhone 7 that gets stuck on a spinning wheel screen. Step 4. Reset iPhone 7 and remove everything. If a lack of memory space is the cause, then you'll have to reset the iPhone 7 to stop the stuck spinning circle on a black screen. Here's the tutorial to reset an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus in recovery mode. Run iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder. Plug your device to the computer. Press and hold both the volume down button and power button until the recovery mode screen pops up. On your computer, choose the Restore option in the opening dialog box. Click the Restore and Update, and complete the instructions that are left. Wait for the restore process to end. Now, you should remove the spinning loading circle with black screen and iPhone 7 boots up properly. Set up the device as prompted to use it as normal. Step 5. Contact a professional repair person for help. If your iPhone 7 still keeps showing a spinning wheel and black screen after trying all the steps, it's time to request service. Maybe the screen is broken, the button is stuck or the battery is defective. Just take your phone to the nearby service center and let experts there diagnose the phone to see what's going wrong. That's all for how to fix a stuck spinning wheel on an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, Feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.